You get 3 hours use of work out of it. Takes 4 hours to charge up. Kind of lame. Alright guys, let me do a quick review on this Icon 77-inch expandable underhood rechargeable floodlight system. Up to 4200 lumens. Includes one 2100 lumen light. Second light sold separately. Okay, so this thing so far has been pretty cool. I like it a lot. Better than the last light bar I had. And I'll put a link up in the corner right now to that stupid video I made. Or actually, I should say, not the stupid video, but the stupid light bar that I bought from Harbor Freight. That was a piece of junk. Anyways, you see here on the picture, come on Harbor Freight, on the picture shows two lights. Okay, guys are visual. They're going to see these two lights. They're going to say, oh, this comes with two lights. Not very many guys are going to read this. Okay, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. So I saw the two lights, grabbed it. It was $100 at Harbor Freight. Let's see, the number is LUR2100. Okay, so this is the light it actually comes with. This thing is pretty cool. It has a USB-C charger. All right, and I think it also will charge up your phones as well. So you charge it up with the USB-C, and it has a regular USB that you can charge up your phone. This light has been pretty cool. All right, the only problem is this second light sold separately hasn't come out yet. So I had to go to Harbor Freight and get this little yellow hockey puck light. This has a different charger. Okay, this is an old school mini USB, I believe is what it is right there. Okay, so as far as light, it's not bad. It's not the best. Obviously you can move this around, put it anywhere you want. This rotates, and then this, if I can get it to move, it's pretty stiff. This will actually, you know, go any which way you want. So you can have it. It has 3 different light settings. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but this thing from a dead, I got it. It came with a little bit of charge. I decided, let's see how long it takes to charge up. So I let it die overnight. It died. It took 4 hours to charge. Okay, and with high, the highest output you can have on the light, it takes about 3 hours to discharge. So you get 3 hours use of work out of it. It takes 4 hours to charge up. Kind of lame. This light, I haven't done the test on it, but I don't know. I can't say whether it's about the same or close to it. So let me turn these lights on. Got an engine here we're working on. Okay, I'm going to shut off all the other lights in Bundy's garage. All the lights I have on my roof. Okay, so right now, it's just these two lights. That one and that one, all right? See? All my other lights are off. So you can see as the lights are up there, creates kind of a lot of creates a shadow back there. I would have to take this off. Obviously, it's cool that it has a magnetic base. You can put it anywhere you want. It's right at the front of the engine. There, less of a shadow. But it only comes with one light, right? So let's shut this light off. Once again, this has 3 different light settings as well. So that one's off. So if you're only to buy this kit from Harbor Freight that shows 2 pictures of a light but only comes with one, that's what you're going to get. Okay? So take it or leave it. Let me shut it off all the way so you can see. Okay, so we are totally in the dark here. I'm a little scared and afraid. Turn it back on. Off. Low. Medium, high. This is what you'll get. You'll get the bar right there, expands out, and then it has like a spring in it. The grips, I know you can't see it, but the grips that hold onto the hood are coated in rubber, so it won't scratch your hood. That's pretty cool. But as soon as, you know, it'd be really cool, and I'll probably do this. I'll probably end up buying another light bar. I'll actually get this system. I'll put 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and I'll get 4 of these lights, or 3 more, I should say. Would I recommend this light? Yes, I would. Very clever idea from Harbor Freight. The only drawback, I wish it came with 2 lights from the beginning. I would pay more for 2 lights right out of the box than just 1. So, I hope this video has helped you out or saved you money. If you're on the fence about this light bar, don't be. Go ahead and purchase it. Like I said, I wish it came with 2 lights. I would pay more for the light bar if it had 2 lights. But yeah, if you can, please subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys later.